Namaste to all JVN students. I am JVN Rajendra Chaudhary, student professor, Department of Science and Technology. Today we will discuss on the topic of Java. That session's name is static and static keyword. Basically, static keyword is used for mainly for memory management, and a static is a keyword that is used before the variables, method, block and classes. There are some definitions of static keyword. First of all, the static keyword in Java is used for memory management mainly. We can apply static keyword with variables, methods, blocks and nested classes. There are each of the member of a class. The static keyword belong to the class, then an instance of the same. Like a class have some instance, different type of instance. Same like a static also a instance of a class. The static can be a variable. We already told you a static may be a variable of a class, a method of a class, block, nested classes. The static variable. First of all, we talk about on the static variable. Basically, if we declare any variable as a static, it's known as a static variable. Means you have a class and that class have some field, and that field declare as a static, that we can say that this variable is called static variable. The static variable can be used to refer the common property of the all object, which is not unique for each object but is a common object of all objects. For example, the company name of employee, college name of student, these are the example of static variable. The static variable get memory only once in the class area at the time of class loading. Whenever we compile a class, then the static variable get the memory only first time. That some advantage of static variable, like if it make your program memory efficient, we can say that the static variable is used to save your memory, your spaces and your flexible your complexity of your program. Let's we take an example of static variable. Firstly, we take a class name student, and that class have some field like roll number, name and college. Okay, this is a example without static variable that we next we understand using static variable. Suppose there are 500 students in my college. Now all instance data member will get memory each time when the object is created. All students have its unique roll number and name, but so instance data member is good in such case. Here college refer to the common property of all objects. That means the college field of student class is a common property of all objects. Then we use before this field as a static. We declare a static before college field. Why? Because this is a common property of all objects. We cannot declare again to again for all objects. Okay, this is an example of static variable. There are some fields, and we take a class name student, some fields roll number like name, colleges, and this college field declares a static variable. And there are the declare as a student is a constructor that hold the two parameter r and n, and roll number hold the r value and name hold the n value. The next we have one more method of student class like display method is used to display the content, the value of this field, roll number and name and college's value. So this okay, we take one more class text static variable that hold the main method of your Java program, public static void main string argument. And there are create the instance of student class. Firstly, s1 is instance of a student class, and one more take the object s2, and this is both object of a student class that have different values, 111, 222, Karan and Aryan. and here we declare college value already. Okay, here we call display method to print the value of roll number, name and colleges. Second method is also display the method, call the method and display the value of roll number and name and colleges. The output of this scenario, this program is 111 current ITS. ITS is a common property of all objects, means college is we declare as a static variable, then display the common value of all objects. Second is we can also say that a static is a static declare as a static method. If you are apply static keyword with any method, it is known as a static method. Same like variable, we take a method in a class, then we declare this method as a static method. We put the static keyword before the method of your class. A static method belongs to the class rather than the object of the class. A static method can be invoked without the need of the creating an instance of a class. Basically, whenever we does not create any instance of a class, then the static method automatically called whenever the object assign some memory area. The static method can access a static data member and can change the value of it. Okay, let's take an example related to static method. Like this is a student class, and same like student class have some field, roll number, name and colleges declare as a static, and also have a method that method is declared as a static method. And this method have some value. BBDDID is a common value of this field, college field, and student is a normal constructor that hold the R and N value and print some content here. And here we create 3 instance S1, S2, S3, and each object display the display method and display your value of object. This one. Okay, third is static block. We also use a block as a static. It is used to initialize the static data member. It is executed before the main method at the time of class loading. And let's take an example of static block. Basically, A2 is a class name and static is a block name, and system.out.println is print some message of static block is invoked, and that mentions the main method of public static void main, and system.out.println print the hello main. Whenever we compile this program, we run the compile, this code is automatically executed before creating an instance of classes. Okay, thank you so much.